Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone off-road storage bins for Jeep's 2018 and current 4-door JL Wrangler. Step 1. Just behind the back seats and below the plastic C-pillar, gently pull away the carpet to reveal the body tub rail. Step 2. Screw one of the supplied bolts into the existing nut, just beneath the pillar. Do so until about 1 to 2 threads are visible through the rail. Push the carpet back into place. Step 3. Position the corresponding storage bin into place and lightly wiggle the inner tab under the pillar and up and over the bolt threads. Step 4. Secure the remaining tab with one of the supplied hardtop knobs and washers. Repeat on the opposite side. Once all the hardware has been secured, and it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone off-road storage bins.